Baby boy on Sanora. Baby boy on Sanora. Eh, that was a hit. Baby jam on that bit. That was a different vibe. Baby jam on that bit. Spice. Njera namwita baby girl because Spice ali real. Emikwano gy'abayimbi giba mizibu. I for one, sijja nina emingi. It's rare. Ndwawo gamba nti osanze nti ndine gundi sibalinaako obuzibu. Naye omuntu asobola okugamba nti I think you need this kind of photographer to bring out this. I think you need this. Like, totally selfish. Yeah. All I get down, nasoka gamba. Generations is okwazawo kanamo a little bit, you know. Mulimu ebintu byoba totwalanga byamaanyi. You're like, I'll use my phone to take a picture. Chiba chimada, you know. And then she'll tell you, the first photographer gwenafuna, natambula naye. I think Spicy, I moved from here. Like, if you know you need a photographer, no server contacts, she's not selfish, she'll call that person, aba connecting it. That is selfish. Atenge chimanyiddwa nnyo mubachala, you know. But Spice, thank you for being here. Etali regular. Ati bambi kaagaliza ndozerezo to selfish. Nechilala in this industry ng'omukyala. As a young woman, young lady in the Spice. Openings ennyo amaaso ebintu bingi nnyo. Mulimu ebintu abasinga abayimbi wano bali bateefiirako, you know, like how you dress, how to, you know, ayongeddemu nga omuyita nti she's a star girl. Ayongeddemu. Ekintu akyongeddemu and then like, ooh, you know, not like industry okula. I'm telling you, we should be grateful for Spice Diana. You know, industry yeyongeddemu ko, just there's that, yeah, what is it called? She's always coming up with something new. Yes, showbiz, you know, she has branded herself so well. You know, not even that. Omiyimbi is not all about singing, going on stage, making that money, go back home and sleep. You have to think of other things as well. Yeah? So, nze sijja kukwekereza wamma. Tukulabirako yadde tuli bakulubo. Ekitegeera. There's some things we see, you know, akaana kano nze nkaita akaana ako. I don't know if it upsets you, but I feel like, akaana kano kalabye. You know, nikakuba ekifaananyi nga kya ttabu. Nga ne Beyonce tanakifuluma. Honestly, you know, I'm here because I'm grateful. You're real. I don't know how we do that. In ways of, you know, they come to your home, they are close to you. It's not easy. It's not easy. You know, we serve thing. You might know we some way, but we got talent in one place. It means a lot. It says a lot about you. So come 10th January. We're truly to support you, baby girl. I have my table one. Yeah. When I was getting my costumes ready, she was part of the costume team. So Spice, thank you. Thank you for being who you are.
Thank you so much, Rema. Rema, kaimba chaka Spice. Kontelo kuimba mu nyumba. Oh. Wanji. Rema, kaimba chaka.
Kumire mukamu. Nikamu kaina vibe yako.
Akadokita.
Wanji. Kankwe Mike.
There's a song Mr. Lee wrote for me, bakaita Dr. Ali. Twali mu studio nkayimba ndowooza ku Rema.
Who are you? Nice. So to you specific.
Oh, we have sing a boy.
Okay.
Baby boy on Sanora. Baby boy on Sanora. Eh, that was a hit.
What's your remix?
Baby jam on that way. That was a different vibe. Baby jam on that way. Mama no jam on that way. Why don't you touch my body? That was nice too.
Thank you so much, Rema. Another round of applause for Rema.
Mbanjulira aba AK Furniture abakugu mukola entebe mu buli design yonna gy'oyagala ebitanda ne furniture yenna ow'omulembe atenga muwangazi. Kuba ku namba z'essimu zolaba wansi awo ku internet banonye ku AK Furniture oba basange e Mulago Kubiri opposite Shell ne ku workshop yawe esangibwa ku Sapolo Kagwa Road mu Kampala. Kuba ku namba z'essimu zolaba wansi awo ku internet banonye ku AK Furniture oba basange e Mulago Kubiri opposite Shell ne ku workshop yawe esangibwa ku Sapolo Kagwa Road mu Kampala.
Peter Ali Moses. Marketing manager wa Tete Business Solutions. We deal in printing, branding, and general supplies. Tukola signages, tukola corporate wear uniforms, n'ebintu bingi. Bino byonna bye mulaba mu dduuka. Zino samples. Buli kyolaba kyonna tulina stores. Tukola bintu bingi. N'abasinga bamanyi tukola printing and branding only. Naye tukola bingi, tulina departments ezirimu civil engineering, ezirimu installations, mechanical installations, n'ebirala. Tuli located at Lighthouse Arcade behind Charm Towers. C12. Era bw'otuuka ku C12, obupande waffe wonna oba obulaba.
Amannya nze Nsuuga Mustafa, nkola ne Alihira Holdings Uganda Limited. Tuli bakozi ba biodigester wamu n'okuzimba okw'enjawulo. Tuli mu kizimbe kya commercial kwegamba kale arcade mu lulimi olumpimpi. So olwaleero tuli waneeno nga tuli mukola biodigester. Ekyenjawulo ekiriwo nti yo eri mu basement wakati okusinziira nga bulijjo abantu mu kiraba ti eno parking lot. So eri wansi eri parking lot eri mu basement. Leero tukoze size y'abantu 5 ng'era erina capacity okusavinga ekizimbe kino kyonna nga wekinaabeera. Waneeno ng'era emigaso gya bulijjo gya biodigester tebagenda kunuunamu. Atwetaaze ku namba z'essimu 07017669992 ne MTN 0789224230. Enamba ezo zonna kwe ziri ku WhatsApp. Abantu bafadde batulaba mu videos enkadde badde nga batumanyidde Kololo.
Okay.
Prince Charles Drive naye kati twavaayo
Mwaddawa
twala omukisa guno mbagambe nti ndo twavaayo kati twadda ku Grand Imperial Hotel room 28 first floor. So twavaayo enamba zaffe ez'essimu zonna zikyaliko nga bulijjo just nti twakyusa location.